As men, we are warriors, we are hunters, we are gatherers, we are fighters, we are soldiers. We have a beast in us that is ready to protect our families, right? To protect our women and our children, which we should always do. But there's a line. It's just like if you were at war, from what I hear, and you come back, you have to de-stress, because else you take it out on your wife or your girl, or your kids, right? Or someone else, and that's not right. So we have to be mindful of our thoughts and our feelings, right? Because those emotions that are here to protect can turn on the people we're supposed to love and protect. It's just like a dog that turns, or animal that turns on its master, in a sense, right? Like, we got to be careful, So I'm just saying to the brothers, to the men, I'm talking to myself, let's do our best to keep that under control and to find different ways to de-stress so we can focus on our goals that will make us successful. You know what I'm saying? I remember when I was like 17 and I was always in the streets fighting, defending myself from my people, from the other ones and all of that, what I'm saying? Ops. Woo. But there came a time when I'm glad I had this thought came in my mind that said, yo, you have to stop all this fighting, because soon you're going to be legal age. And if I just, like, I'm fighting somebody, number one, I could slip and hit my head or something. I'm out of here, right? But I could hit somebody, they could hit their head, or I could hurt them or kill them. And now I'm all locked up, and you know what I mean? Just because of a decision. Now, what was I really fighting over? So, we got to be very careful and try to find ways to namaste, you know what I mean? We got to find ways to have peace of mind and to de-stress, all right? So that we can protect our women, our children, and our families, because that's what it's all about. All right, your brother, Kamal Imani, Sirius Relationships, YouTube. Like, share, subscribe, all right? Peace. One love.